Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Alpha Pack shop. This is video 2 of the Can-Am Maverick 1000R rebuild. So we're still continuing on with the build. I've made a little bit of progress and I got some other parts in. So here we go. Here's the front diff. It was apart. So I had bought a torque locker set for my Outlander 1000 and my stock gears I left in the box. So I had a whole set of gears for him that were brand new. So that's what I ended up sticking in here, along with new seals, cleaned everything up. It's all ready to go. Spinning good, everything feels good. So front diff, check. All right, next we got a drive shaft in. Steven was able to go to Can-Am and get this ordered, and it's a upgraded prop shaft apparently, because there's a couple differences. Let's check them out. So look, both these are vertical on the earlobes on the shaft itself on one side, and on the other side though, the new shaft is vertical and the old one's horizontal. So yeah, that's different. That's one difference. And then two, here the yoke that goes into the front diff, the diameter of this now does not require a wear ring. So it's the same diameter as this one with a wear ring on it. So that is different. I checked it with the seal before I put it in the seal in the diff on both of these, and it matched up perfectly to both this one with the wear ring and this one without it. So this is thicker. I measured it also. Got the new tie rod, that's ready to go too. Cayman axle, eBay special, baby. Boom, put a little sticker on there. Nice rugged terrain axles, right? We'll see how rugged they are. Got the hub bearings installed into the front hubs with the new seals in the back, which it did not have before for some reason. Got the spindles, you know, they're ready. Everything's ready to go. So all I have to do left is clean up that clutch cover and start putting some parts on, guys. So I'm going to start with that drive shaft, get it installed with the front diff, and then work my way out, and then we'll move on to something else. But I'll come back whenever I get some more done. Oreo, hey, did you get that diff put in? Drive shaft's good? What's up? Oh, you're done. Okay, looks like he's done for today. Let's see what he did, if he got anything done. Look at that. All right, good. At least you did that. Diff's in, drive shaft's in, bolts in. Yep, hopefully that sucker won't back out. It's tight. I'm about to start throwing some axles in it, and then I'll start working on getting those hubs done and brake pads, and then this tie rod, and we should be able to throw some tires on it. So I'll come back when we got some tires. I'm not a tire. But yeah, those aren't on yet. There's been a couple delays, guys. So let me go over those with you real quick. You know those times where it's just like the world's against you, or like, you know, those times where you have a part that should take 5-10 minutes to go on and it ends up taking you hours on end because of something just stupid. Well, I've had plenty of those recently with this bike. It's driving me nuts. So let me go over these bearing issues and spindle and hub issue bull honky donk with you for a second, and I'll go over it. So here we go. I have this hub, and this bearing gave me just none of a problem. So one of the inner races of it would not go over the new axle no matter what I did. I sanded on it, polished on it. I mean, I checked for burrs, everything. It just wouldn't happen. So here's the inner race right here that I had to take out of that bearing while it was still in the hub and everything. I just got it out, took everything out, and I took that side out of another one and stuck it in it, and it was able to go right on, like no problem. So apparently this bearing inner race is slightly different size for some whatever reason. Quality control over there is sucking. So yep. And then on the other side, you'll see these splines right here. So on the other side, I'll just use this one as an example though. This spline part was coming out just past that spindle. So when I would tighten it down, there was still slack in it. I mean, I could literally wobble it pretty good, you know. So I ended up putting a different washer on it that's cupped in the middle and off a Polaris axle, and it worked way better. It was able to let the axle end come out where it needed to and get tight. So we got no slack, no in and out movement anymore. But before, it had a good bit. It was doing like doo 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 doo. But anyway, so now that that is taken care of and we got everything put back on here and tightened down, now I can start and go put some tires on it and maybe get it out of this shop. But that'll come in the next video, guys. Real quick, before I do end this one, here's those gears out of that front diff. They're all the way out. You can see all them chipped teeth, guys. Look at them. Check them out. Look how thin they are. The gears I took out of my 1000 front diff, I kept from when I did my torque locker swap. So lucky for Steven, I had some gears on hand. So that's what I used. My old gears, they were identical, way thicker too. And I used my old shims, and everything fit in his diff way better with the different size shims that I had on mine. So I checked that with a feeler gauge. Everything's within spec and good to go. So the front diff, it's got my stamp on it. We good. So look, guys, next time it'll have tires on it. If y'all would, I'd appreciate if y'all hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and come back for the next one, part 3 of the Maverick rebuild. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.